Hello and welcome to Thriven Authority, the home to helpful tips across all areas of life. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at those foods that you can eat daily to help you lose weight. Who doesn't fantasize about having the ideal body shape? Belly fat in any event is one hell of a difficult thing to shed for the individuals who go through hours perspiring at the gym. Likewise, stomach obesity has been connected to Alzheimer's disease, just like other metabolic and vascular diseases, which is why most people make attempts at getting it off and finding that perfect shape. Following the correct exercise routine is what the vast majority take to be the primordial solution. But let's be honest, here and there, it seems like regardless of what you do, how controlled your exercises are, or how long you stay at the gym, your body accessing body weight won't just go away. Between bloated midsection and having to deal with extremely tight jeans, engaging the bulge can be something much more than a beachwear battle. It very well can be the reason for an all-year-round frustration. This exactly is one of those reasons you can really need to lose some of those weight. While the majority of us put forth a cognizant effort to remain fit and healthy, we are not generally capable of reaching our shape target on time. This might be because of the age factor. However, as a rule, it is our diet that assumes a huge job. You definitely must have realized that exercising daily can help improve your blood flow and respiratory capabilities. However, it may not be the sole factor that prompts the ideal body you long for. The longing for a flat belly is a fantasy for some, and a big challenge as well. You must be steady with your exercises and keep up healthy dietary patterns simultaneously. Have a proper knowledge of those foods you need to eat can absolutely go far in helping you accomplish your weight loss journey. So, what are these foods that have been proven to be effective for weight loss? Well, let's find out. And don't forget that a sub to the channel will be healthy. Food number 1, broccoli. Remember those small green trees you had a huge dislike for when you were growing up? Well, it turns out that these are one of those foods that you need to add to your diet roster in order to shed weight daily. Broccoli is one of these foods that are very rich in fiber but low on calories. The presence of less calories and higher fiber in broccoli therefore makes it the right food for weight loss. While the fiber present in broccoli will keep you filled than any regular food, it also contains other essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. Here's how broccoli does the weight reduction trick, because vitamin C and weight loss go hand in hand. According to a publication on the Journal of Nutrition, and broccoli is very rich in vitamin C and very low in calories. It is clear that this food will not just decrease your calorie consumption, but also deliver the vitamins and minerals you need to maintain proper health. By adding broccoli to your diet, you get to shed some weight in a very healthy way. Food number 2, oatmeal. One of the problems people who have bloated midsection face is the inability to properly digest their food. Most times, these set of people feel the need to keep eating, which makes it quite difficult for their digestive tract to break down the food as fast as possible. According to the Times of India, a cup of oatmeal contains up to 4 grams of fiber, which helps in maintaining a strong digestive health. People with chronic constipation issues can add oatmeal to their diet plan every morning in order to get back to normal health as quickly as possible. But that's not all. A research published on the Journal of the American College of Nutrition affirms that oatmeal, due to its protein and fiber content, helps reduce the amount of food that you take in by making you feel full all day. This means with oatmeal, you feel the need to eat a lot less, without having to starve yourself throughout the day. Food number 3, kale. Broccoli is rich in fiber and vitamins, but it's not just broccoli that has vitamins in abundance. A food like kale is very high in vitamin C, and it is estimated that this vegetable can provide your body with 71% of the daily vitamin C it needs. Incredible, right? Well, because of this level of vitamin C present in kale, it is also able to deliver the weight-shedding effect that broccoli delivers. In fact, kale is one of those foods that can help you out when trying to boost your metabolism. According to a research published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine, calcium also plays a key role in weight loss as it helps in the breaking down and absorption of fat. And guess what? Kale is also very rich in calcium. This means when you consume kale in the right quantity, You get to shed fat and lose the unwanted weight. Here is the thing that you should keep in mind. When you see leafy foods that look weird, they are mostly just so to disguise the level of benefits they hold, and it is only those who are bold enough to actually try them out that get to enjoy these benefits. Food number 4. Grapefruit. Are you looking for a not so difficult way to get rid of the fat around your midsection? Then there's a solution you've been anticipating. Grapefruit is one of those foods that you need to consume if you want to lose weight and get in shape. You might be wondering, grape is just a fruit. Well, it is, but according to a 2012 research in the Metabolism Journal, grapefruit and weight loss are very much connected. After running a study for 6 weeks, it was discovered that not only does grapefruit help eliminate weight around the waist, it also aids in spontaneous weight loss while reducing the blood pressure. With a meal like broiled salmon with avocado grapefruit salsa, you get both the weight loss benefits of grapefruit and that of salmon. Food number 5. Legumes. Legumes are bodybuilding food, but do you know that they are also very good weight-shedding food? Well, if you don't, then now you know. Legumes are food types that allow you to lose body weight without compromising on a radiant and healthy look due to the provision of protein in your body. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, just one serving of leguminous food a day can significantly help you in elimination of your body fat. The best part about legumes is that you can switch between several choices like beans, chickpeas, lentils, and much more. Food number 6. Celery juice. It's impossible to talk about weight loss foods without giving you a weight loss drink to step down with. Celery juice isn't the best when it comes to flavor and savor, however, it does have several benefits that you most definitely need. According to a post by medicalmedium.com, it is said that celery juice is so powerful that just 16 ounces of it every morning can help break down and dissolve fat stored in the liver. But that's not all. Celery juice is also low in calories and can be used as a replacement with higher calories beverages. By consuming celery juice, you also enjoy its anti-inflammatory benefits and its abundance of vitamins A, C, and K. It's clear now that what you eat plays a huge role in your weight loss regime. However, this shouldn't be a substitute for proper exercises, but should be used in addition so as to get faster results. Did you enjoy this video, and would you love to see more of our helpful tips? Then support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, turning on the notifications bell, and sharing with others. See you in the next one.